Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to tighten, remove, or install a new toilet seat? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're taking you our Back to the Basics series to show you how to fix all things toilet seat. So this is an elongated, soft close toilet seat. And we're going to show you how to tighten up if it's loose, how to remove it, or how to install a new one. If you like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But come on over here and let me show you how to start. So first things first, get your tools. You need a screwdriver, possibly Phillips head, probably straight flathead. Flathead is the flat, Phillips head is the one with the 4 points, depending on what your screws are. But you definitely need to start with the flathead. I like this 6-in-1, I'll link it in the description. So you have these nice covers here, and they're gonna look different based on a toilet seat. But basically, you just want to get in here, and you're going to go ahead and pop that open. It's just got a couple of plastic prongs. You can use anything really thin to get in there and just kind of pop it forward without breaking it. Then you can use either, like I said, that's Phillips or a flathead. Now, you're not going to be able to tighten it from underneath. You could try to hold the bolt, but we'll show you that in just a second. So if you want to tighten it, you're just going to put it in there. You're just going to turn it, and now we're nice and tight. It's that easy to tighten, but let's show you how to get it off. Okay, so same process, but looking at it from underneath now, there's going to be a plastic washer under here, and this plastic washer does not have, it doesn't allow you to turn all the way because there's a bar on it. So you're only going to turn it from the top, and as it loosens, you can put a finger on here if you'd like to hold it. But you're just going to slowly take this off, and again, this won't turn because there's a stopper. But we're going to go ahead and take this off until it's all the way in, and now it will turn. And we'll go ahead and take this off. Super easy. You can definitely do it. And here, if you want to look up here now, I'll show you. This is what is underneath. So this bar right here is what helps to lock it in. So you want to do that on both sides. We've gotten this one started already. And then what you're going to do is you can either push the screw up, careful not to drop it in the toilet, or you can lift the entire mechanism. And that is it. We are clear over here. So let's say you just bought this new toilet seat and you want to say, how do I install it? Well, all right, same as reverse. So we can take our hardware that's going to come with your toilet seat, which is going to be some sort of a plastic screw and a plastic nut. This one actually has a metal washer as well, because it's kind of deluxe. You're going to center it on these two holes. You don't have to be perfect right now, but you want to center it on the two holes, make sure it looks pretty good. Then you're going to push each one down. Again, this one has a metal washer with it. They don't all have that. They don't all need that. It's a nice feature. Push it down there. Then you're going to take your nut, opposite what you did when you installed it, and you're going to get it started from underneath. But soon, it's not going to turn anymore because that piece is going to start hitting the side. And as soon as that piece doesn't let you turn it anymore, which we're at right now, it won't turn anymore. Come on up. So now we're going to turn it from above. And you don't need to really crank it too hard, just nice and tight. You're going to slap that closed. Do the same on this side. And now, your brand new toilet seat will be super tight to do both sides. Hope you appreciate that video. Should be a pretty simple fix. You can go ahead and pick up a new soft close toilet seat. Make sure you look whether it's elongated or round. But no problems at all. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment box. Appreciate you watching. Remember, all these videos, if I can do it, you can too.